Hello there, I'm your host, Hans Sonnenberg.
Welcome back, listeners, to the third installment of our podcast series, Journeys of Resilience Challenges Faced by Refugees. Today, we dive deep into the hurdles that refugees encounter as they flee their homelands in search of safety and sanctuary in America. Imagine having to leave behind everything you know your home, your loved ones, your possessions, all to escape persecution, violence, and war. This is the reality for many refugees who embark on dangerous journeys, facing risks of injury, illness, and even death as they travel great distances by foot, boat, or crowded vehicles to reach safety. Once these brave individuals arrive in America, a new set of challenges awaits them. Language barriers, cultural differences, and unfamiliar legal and social systems can make it difficult for refugees to find housing, employment, and access to essential services like healthcare and education. They may also encounter discrimination and prejudice from their new communities. Navigating the asylum process in America is no easy feat. The bureaucratic and legal systems can be complex and confusing, leading to delays, denials, and appeals in asylum applications, leaving refugees in limbo, unsure of what the future holds. Moreover, refugees carry with them the emotional scars of trauma, violence, and loss from their past experiences. Grief, fear, and anxiety are constant companions as they strive to rebuild their lives in a foreign land. Despite these immense challenges, refugees exhibit remarkable resilience, strength, and determination. They seek to create a brighter future for themselves and their families, while also enriching their new communities in meaningful ways. As we continue to support and welcome refugees, let's acknowledge their hardships, offer compassion, empathy, and the support they need to thrive in their new home. Join us in the forthcoming episodes as we explore more stories of resilience and courage from refugees around the world. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, together, we can make a difference in the lives of those seeking refuge and hope. Don't forget to check out my book on Amazon, Embracing Adversity, A Life Torn and Rebuilt, written by Hans Sonnenberg. There, you can delve deeper into my inspiring journey as a refugee seeking freedom and hope. Thank you, and goodbye. Stay tuned for the next episode.